putang ina ninyo. Hindi pa kayo nakakita ng kalaban na tulad ko.
Hindi. Kanina, nagihan kayo sa bendok.
Nagpigil, ako na nagpigil.
Palisin nyo yan! Kupal tong mga, kupal talaga oh.
We will be proud to represent Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao sa pagbabago na tunay. We have to speak up once we see may pagkakamali. Pag-aralan namin yung liquidation by certification. Yung sinasabi ng iba, yung sa Quadcom, inaatake nila ang Office of the Vice President because they wanted to audit, no, all the expenses of the Office of the Vice President, pati yung confidential fund. But let me remind the Filipino people, yung pinakamalaking confidential fund at pondo ay hawak ng Office of the President. Eh bakit ang tahimik ng Quadcom sa Office of the President? Bakit ang tahimik ng Quadcom sa DILG, sa Defense Department, sa Department of Agriculture, sa DSWD? Ito lang, bilyon-bilyon ang pera ng DSWD. Galing ako Bacolod, Negros, no? Pag pumupunta ako ng Maynila, makikita ko dyan sa Manila, no? Ang daming street children. Ang daming taong nakatira sa kalye. Ba't hindi yan imbestigahan ng mga congressman natin? Nasaan na napunta ang perang bilyon-bilyon ng gobyerno? Bakit sa dati pang mga administrasyon hanggang ngayon, hindi nasusolve ang street children problem at yung street dwellers problem? Mahiya naman kayo. Ito pang isang nakakasakit. Magandang mga daan. Roads. Binabakbak. Sinisira ng DPWH. Quadcom, imbestigahan yung DPWH. Pera ng bayan. Hindi yung sinsilyo ng budget ng Office of the Vice President. Kung gusto natin linisin ang gobyerno, start from the top Office of the President to the Haste Departments, o salin nyo na yung Office of the Vice President. Let everybody open their accounting para malinis natin ang gobyerno. At yung isang ang sinabi ko kanina, I want the review and possible amendment of the Data Privacy Act and Bank Secrecy Law ng public officials. Kung wala kayong tinatago, anong kinakatakutan ninyo? Yun po. Kung magmamalinis kayo, una niyong buksan ang inyong pondo. Congress, Senate. Salamat po.
Confidential fund, no? At least I have a little knowledge about this. Because, as you know, I was one of the lead counsels of former President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo. When she was also similarly politically prosecuted or persecuted. At ang kanilang sinampang kaso has something to do with confidential funds of the President. No? Sinampan siya ng plunder. Kaya siya na-detain. Kaya ako gumaling na golfer. Dahil din-detain siya sa veterans. So, every day, pinapasyalan ko si President Arroyo. Alam niya yan. Every day. Morning, doon ako mag-breakfast. Tapos, after mag-breakfast kaming dalawa, usap, maglalaro na ako ng golf. Nawalan na rin ako ng ibang kliyente noon nung akong naging lawyer ni President Roy. And anong sinabi ng korte? She was acquitted of all cases filed against the former president, more particularly on the confidential fund, kung saan siya talagang kinulong for plunder. Sinama pa nila yung chairman ng Commission on Audit sa kaso Si Chairman Villar from Pangasinan. Kinulong din siya. Dahil dyan, sa pag-issue ng certification. Confidential nga confidential fund. You don't need to account that every cent or every peso of how you spend because it's confidential. At nagbibigay lang ng certification yung chairman of Commission on Audit that these funds were properly accounted for. Hindi mo pwedeng buksan yan. Na yun ang gustong palabasin ngayon nitong mga congressmen, more particularly those saying they belong to this Makabayan group. Alam naman natin na yung grupo na yan, they have been very supportive, sympathetic to the armed group of the CPP or the NPA, which is internationally, they have been declared terrorist organization, not just the Philippine government that declared this group as terrorist organization. Internationally, the United States, the Europeans have declared that this NPA is a terrorist organization. Pero bakit? Bakit hindi ito ang tinitignan ngayon ng Kongreso? Tinitignan nila yung confidential fund ng Office of the Vice President. As Attorney Hinlo said, ang laki-laki ng confidential fund ng Office of the President. And it is entitled to have very big confidential fund. Hindi lamang yung pondo na nanggagaling sa GAA ang pwedeng pagkuhanan ng confidential fund ng Presidente. There are other sources of funds that can be used by the President and can be categorized as confidential fund. As Attorney Bondok said, PAGCOR or PCSO. Yan. Pwede nilang gamitin yun as confidential fund. Kaya sabi ko, hindi mapoprosecute o kung meron mang sasampang kaso kay VP Sara on this issue of the use of confidential fund of something like about 150 million ba? Or what? No? Dismiss yan sa kaso. Sigurado yan. Sigurado yan. At kung hindi man ako manalo sa Senado, magbo-volunteer ako as one lawyers of BP Sara kung masampan siya. At least meron akong track record na masasabi may dinipensa akong similarly situated on the issue of confidential fund. Alam ko kung paano aatakihin kung sakali mang meron may isang pangkaso against the Vice President on the issue of confidential fund.
Thank you very much.